As a 19-year-old lies in coma, Headlines Today tries to find those who are responsible for her condition. Were it the four goons who carried out the threat, the minister who shielded his men, the hospitals which refused to treat her, or the police who refused to even lodge an FIR? It was a collective failure, a gang rape by four men, or by a system which bowed to the rich and powerful and crumbled like a pack of cards before their might.
Babina had stood up against the goons of Pradeep Maharathi, the BJD MLA and the political strongman of Pipli. He was even then the powerful agriculture minister in Naveen Patnaik's government. The goons had raped Babina's best friend who committed suicide. When she went to the police, they threatened her with the same fate. And in November 2011, they exacted their revenge. They raped her, strangled her, and left her for dead. Babina survived, but such was the minister's clout that the police refused to do anything about justice. Despite 3 written complaints, no FIR was launched due to the pressure from above, and the 4 goons remained free.
All of them belong to his party. Police was not taking action for 1.5 months. The police sub-inspector kept the FIR in his drawer.
Only when the State Women's Rights Commission and the Women's Commission intervened was she finally admitted to the Cuttack Medical College and an FIR lodged. It was only then that the case came to light and social pressure exerted for action to be taken. The Agriculture Minister resigned, a one-man judicial inquiry set up, and the Pipli police officer who refused to file an FIR was first transferred, then suspended and finally dismissed. Punished for his crime, but who ordered him not to file the FIR, not to take action?
वो जो कंप्लेन मेरे पास आया था, मैं ये कंप्लेन को रिसीव किया था और वो कंप्लेन के बारे में जो कुछ भी था, वो जो कंप्लेन जो भी था, वो कंप्लेन के बारे में मुझे जिस आदमियों को हमारा डिपार्टमेंट में कंसल्ट करना था, वो जो भी है उनका स्टोरी में जो भी है रिपोर्ट रिसीव से लेकर उनके बारे में अगर मुझे सुजोग दिया जाएगा तो मैं उनके बारे में जरूर जवाब रखूंगा मेरा.
Why is the suspended police officer still afraid to give names? Why does all the circumstantial evidence point to Pradeep Maharathi? After all, he had every reason to stall the justice and shield his own goons.
Why did he resign? If he is not involved, why he resigned? The circumstantial evidences are such. They lodged FIR and no action was taken by the police.
रेजिग्नेशन देना पड़ा. ट्रूथ, सत्यता क्या है वो आने दो, और जो मिथ्या आरोप हमारा ऊपर, हमारा पार्टी ऊपर, हमारा लीडर ऊपर लगा हुआ है, ये ट्रूथ के लिए जुडिशियल इंक्वायरी क्राइम ब्रांच और उसको मजबूत करने के लिए रेजिग्नेशन दिया. अपोजिशन का तो बहुत बात है कहने के लिए, लेकिन आरोपी कहाँ निकला आपको कल पेपर में टीवी में मालूम है. वो मेरे पास भी दस्तावेज है.
A unique battle that is being fought by the 8,000 members of Orissa Police Association and the senior officials, and the system is getting murkier by the day. But the fact remains that they are actually fighting against those who pay them from the government exchequer.
Pradeep Maharathi still remains the BJD MLA from Pipli, and in the region that he dominates, people still bow in fear in his presence. With Pravat and Manogya Loiwal, Meghna Deka, Headlines Today.